Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacup Tarot. We are back with our weekly predictions, and as usual we are going to be taking a look at what is coming next for you when it comes to your personal life, when it comes to your work situation, relationships and so much more. So, as usual, you have three piles in front of you. Please make sure to take your time to select a pile that really speaks to you, and then we'll start with pile 1. Hello, and if you've selected pile 1, this is what you can expect for yourself in the upcoming week. Now, as usual, we are going to be starting off with your Moonology. And especially for you, pile 1, if in the recent past, if there has been a situation that has been particularly worrying you, like, if you're worried about the outcome of something, how something is going to turn out, then basically you are being told, don't worry. Things are going to be fine, okay? Nothing is essentially going to come out of this situation, yeah? Now, we're going to be taking off your tarot, and there is so much more for you this week, so make sure you stay tuned. You have 3 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands, 8 of Wands, 5 of Wands, lot of Wand energy, and King of Wands. Look at that. Okay. So basically for you, I feel like, this is going to be a week where a lot of things are going to be happening. Like you're constantly going to be on the move, not only physically, but also mentally. Like you're thinking a great deal, you're planning a great deal, but you are on top of the things. You're not going to be wasting your time or thinking about how certain things are going to happen, because you know exactly how to take care of them, when to take care of them, and you will move accordingly. But at the same time, I feel like, this week essentially is going to be very focused. Like your work is important to you, your career is important to you, and you may actually find yourself working on a specific project, and this is something that you're building upon on. It's not like you're starting something new. This is something that you're hard at work, you've set the foundation towards something, and you are moving just to the next level. The possibility, especially if you're struggling with a particular area and if you need external help, remember, if you need it, help is available should you seek it, because this week clearly you're not meant to do things alone. But of course, fun times with friends, fun times with family is absolutely indicated. Maybe you're celebrating something, a birthday, a special occasion, or just a trip, a little holiday, maybe out at the mall, out for some exploration, or just for plain old shopping. But that little bit of trip, that outing is absolutely on the cards for you. Once again, be on the lookout for some kind of a letter, some kind of announcement, because that can actually change a couple of things for you, okay? That's really important. Be very careful when it comes to fights, or be very careful when it comes to situations where you feel like you have to give the other person a little bit of your full, because whatever is happening, it's not so much a result of what they are doing or what they are saying. It's just a build-up of situation. And remember this, as we move forward in the upcoming week, we actually have the energy of the eclipse coming up. Remember, eclipse sometimes make us a little bit more irritable, a little bit more confrontational than usual. So this could be happening when it comes to you or the other person as well. So whenever you can, diffuse the situation, try and bring more harmony into it, because especially when the eclipse is around, this confusion is likely, and should you act on this, things could just escalate is what is coming forth. But of course, this week you have the presence of a very kind person in your life. Like this is a person who's very driven, who's very focused, and who's very ambitious. And maybe that person's energy is slightly rubbing off on you this week. Now, this could be somebody at work, this could be a boss or mentor, or maybe somebody in your family, but a male figure at that, who's trying to extend his influence on you is what is coming forth. But overall, the week seems to be really, really nice and action-packed is what is coming through for you. Moving ahead, This week you're being asked to trust in the magic of who you are, okay? And especially with the eclipse coming up, I feel like, you're gonna start receiving some messages, like, intuitively you're gonna be like, okay, maybe I need to do this, and you start walking in that direction, okay? So the magic is something that is totally in you. Trust your instincts and trust where life is taking you at this point of time. But of course, you're also being told to follow your bliss. So if you feel like you need to walk in that direction, or like I said, you're already working hard at something, just keep doing whatever it is that you're doing, especially if you love it, nothing like it. Because in following your bliss, you will end up exactly where you're supposed to. But once again, it's important for you to set clear boundaries, okay? What you are and what the other person is. So if you feel like, certain boundaries are being violated, make sure you resolve it harmoniously. Because once again, you have the card of 5 of Wands. So you may be very much in the confrontational mode or saying something unpleasant, especially at the wrong time, yeah? Because if you look at these llamas, they're like so cute. But even when it comes to setting boundaries, they're doing it in a peaceful manner. So that peaceful manner is something that is deeply important for you. Now, what is happening for you, especially when it comes to your life, certain situations, you're involved in it too closely. See, what happens is when we are so engulfed in a situation, say a relationship, when we are so deep into it, we are unable to see things clearly. Like, we are looking at things from our point of view and wishing and hoping that that's the only thing, but that is clearly not it. So this week, it's important for you to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. See what the bigger picture is trying to tell you. Is what you are thinking the right thing? Is this really the truth? All of these things are something that you're required to really, really make a careful consideration of, and only then decide what is real and what is not for yourself this week. Now, also this week is very important to bring love into the situation, okay? So whenever you can, look at people with the eyes of love and not with the eyes of judgment, yeah? So bring more love into the situation, bring more love into the relationships, because that is going to be especially crucial for you this week. But look at that, you have the presence of your spirit guides along with you. So whatever is going to be happening in your life, your spirit guides are going to guide you 100% to walk in the direction that is just right for you. Now, when it comes to your romantic card, the message for you is deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. So if some message inside you is telling you, this is it, trust it for now, okay? But of course, before trusting it, make sure that it is the reality and you're taking the bigger picture into consideration. There may be a possibility for you, pile 1, that you're ignoring certain aspect of a situation, or maybe you're just looking at one side of the situation, okay? That is slightly possible. Of course, because you guys enjoy shuffling, watching me shuffle on camera so much, I'm gonna do that for you to gain the clarity that you seek. Chance. Allow the seas to wash its shore of wonders, a shore you never know what the tide may bring in. So I feel like you're going to be coming upon something unexpected. Like, you were not really expecting this to happen in your life, but this is like a brilliant opportunity, okay? So if you have a chance to act on something this week, make sure you act on it after taking a look at the bigger picture. One more. Perseverance, stay the course. So whichever direction you are walking in, keep walking this week. Don't give up, especially if you are tempted to give up, is what is coming through for you. Perseverance, if you keep doing what you're doing, you are likely to get success. Empathy, okay, makes sense, especially with the 5 of Wands and the little bit of confrontation coming your way. So it's important for you to think about things and look at things from the other person's perspective. What is it about the other person's life that you're ignoring? Yeah, that is something that's very crucial. So it's important for you to be empathetic towards them, because each and every person we meet is fighting a battle, and that is something you're clearly overlooking. Direction, trust your inner compass and find your bearing. So, which direction to take next? it's going to be shown to you, especially because I told you, you know, you have to take the bigger picture before taking action. So I believe once you look at the whole story, the direction will be very, very clear to you. I'm also going to be giving you a card from Sai Baba's deck because, you know, somebody requested it in the comment section. So here we go. Bountiful. Baba always ensures that you have what you need. Keep faith. So when it comes to money, when it comes to, you know, resources, you're always going to have what you need. Baba is not going to leave you empty handed. Yeah, that's what's coming through for you. Of course, I'll give you your letters and numbers to wrap things up. OP 21, E 23, G 88 once again goes with the bounty. O E 55, M M S, I 18, Q L A T. Of course, you can find initials or your full name sometimes. So let me know if that happens for you. 25, you have A, you have U, O, you have S, and you have B. Okay. So you also have the message of go, right? And with the 8 of Wands, you know, if you're getting an instinctual message to do something, go for it. Okay, go for it because you've got it. That's what's coming through for you. But overall, these are the messages that are coming through for you for your upcoming week. As usual, I want to leave you with nothing but my prayers for your future. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 2, this is what you can expect for yourself in the upcoming week. Now, as usual, we are going to be starting off with our Moonology card. And the message essentially for you is that the energy is gaining momentum, okay? Things are finally building up. Whatever you're working towards, it's very close to completion, but a little bit is still pending. So do not give up, do not quit at all, but keep giving the energy that you're already giving towards something is something that you're being advised to do. Now, I'm going to give you your tarot, Hanged Man, the Chariot, 7 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, and Knight of Pentacles. All right. So this week for you, pile 2, it's like a bit of both, okay? It's like you're taking the step back, you're sort of analyzing things, visualizing things, and, you know, trying to look at things from a different perspective. But that is helping you to move forward in a very, very rapid manner, okay? There is a possibility that you'll just sit back this week and look at how far you've come. Look at what you've done right, look at what you've done wrong, and then you'll be asking yourself, what do I do next? Okay, that is the energy that is coming forth. But at the same time, I feel like you're going to change your mind towards something. Like probably you'll come to a realization about some things, and then you'll be like, okay, maybe that is not the right way to proceed with things, and you will change your mind and sometimes head in an entirely new direction. You know, especially when it comes to some things that you're working on. Now, this could be relating to your career, this could be relating to, you know, a future life for yourself. You've already done a lot of work. Like, you know, the seeds are in place and the plant is just starting to grow. So you need to be very, very patient with yourself because the energy here is clearly of impatience. It's like you have planted a seed and you expect it to become a full grown tree in a matter of 24 hours. Okay, you guys, pile 2, you are long-term players. Whatever you expect to show up in your life, it does show up in your life, but one step at a time. So this week, it's important for you to slow down and slow your expectations down slightly and your energy level slightly is also coming through for you. This week I also feel like your work is going to be a focus of your life. Okay, you're finally able to pay attention to your work. You're going to really be able to concentrate in it, especially when it comes to students. I feel this is a week where you will be really burning the midnight lamp. Of course, I don't really feel like you're going to be doing this on your own. There is going to be somebody with you to support you, to guide you and help you in your forward movement. But your focus is just right and your intentions are just right is also coming forth. But of course, travel is definitely possible for you, and especially if there is somebody out there who's been wanting to move, I feel like you're going to do that very shortly. Yeah, and especially remember this reading that is happening, it's actually in the backdrop of an eclipse that we are expecting. So definitely this eclipse is requiring you to pause, but that pause moves you ahead in a very rapid manner. Let's take a lot more cards here. Time for a beginner's mind. Okay, go back to the basics. Do not ignore the basics, no matter what is the message that is coming forth. But at the same time, hold your course, stay focused, do not give up is the message for you. Because like I said, already you are in the mindset of being focused, but if you remain focused and hold your course, you will actually make a lot of rapid progress for yourself. Now at the same time, when you're slowing down, just enjoy yourself a little bit, because sometimes for you pile 2, because you guys are so emotional and sometimes that emotions come into the range of anxiety, take time to enjoy yourself. Take a little bit of break, go out with friends, go out with family, or just sit and do nothing. Yeah, live every moment joyfully, because life happens in the present moment. It doesn't happen in the past, it doesn't happen in the future. So focus on the present moment, live the present moment fully, and you'll be okay. Now at the same time, you may actually be called to change your appearance a little bit. You may change your mannerisms so that you may be able to adjust with the situation a bit more nicely. Okay, and honestly, if you feel you need to do that because of that little bit of pause, allow yourself to do that, because we all try to become the best version of ourselves, and I think that is exactly what you are trying to do. But for you, pile 2, self-discipline is absolutely crucial. Now, how you live your everyday life, what habits have you acquired, what time do you wake up, what time do you eat, everything. A disciplined manner, a disciplined lifestyle is what is essentially for you this week, is what is coming for. Coming into a great deal of clarity. So the pause, that reconsideration is actually helping you a great deal. Once again is what is coming forth. It is giving you the clarity as to what is right and what direction to head into is what is coming forth. And when it comes to your Lover's Oracle, the message essentially for you is to look inside yourself. All the answers that you seek when it comes to your romantic life do not lie outside. You already know the truth. So it's time for you to acknowledge that truth and examine why you're feeling a particular way is what is coming through. Now, I'm also going to be giving you a card from Sai Baba's deck because it was requested. Home. Your home should be a place of rest with positive energy. So especially for people who work from home, or you're just making home a place of a social gathering, it's important for you to understand that your place for you is meant for you and your family. Rest, relax and take it easy. Fill it with positive energy, especially if you feel like you do not agree with somebody's point of view. Let it go. Drop it. Make sure any confrontation that is to happen, any fights that are to happen, do not bring it inside the house. Yeah, that is a message for you. I'll give you a couple of more just to wrap things up. Listen. Okay, so this week it's important for you to listen to what life is trying to tell you. If somebody is trying to give you an advice, listen, because in listening and understanding, I feel like a lot of things can actually resolve itself for you. Breathe. Okay, take time to relax. Break from beneath the water surface and soar up beyond the turquoise sea. Okay, so it's important for you to listen, chill out and take that one step back before the forward movement is what is coming through. Travel, okay, movement, forward movement, travel is absolutely possible for you. Of course, you had like the card of the Chariot, so definitely movement, like on a short trip or just to have a good time with friends or family is indicated for you. Communication, things left unsaid will never reach the shore. Now that's a very important message. So if you feel like certain things need to be said to somebody, say it out loud. Don't keep it hidden within yourself, okay? Bring that clarity, because sometimes clarity is something that you have to give yourself. So give yourself that. I'll give you your letters and your numbers. 66 can be 99, 28 you have Q, 10 S, T, R, I, 15, O, I, you have an E, 77, J, P, Z, E, F, and 1. I'll give you a couple of more. You may find your initials or sometimes full names here. Let me know in the comment section down below. 33, M, 2, and 6 can be 9 as well. So overall, these are the messages that are coming through for you this week. Remember, the energy is gaining momentum and things are moving forward in a much more rapid manner. If it is not obvious for you, remember that this is happening. Yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, my beautiful pile 3s. We are back with your reading, and as usual, we're going to be starting off with our Moonology. Now, interesting message for you this week. You are essentially being told that a fresh start is coming, a new start is coming for you. So some part of your life that did not belong, that had served its purpose, will come to an end, and in its place will be replaced something beautiful, brilliant and bright. Yeah, because I have a really positive feeling about this new phase coming into your life. Remember, we finished an eclipse, we have a new eclipse coming. So I believe this eclipse is actually bringing a lot of good things in your life. Of course, we'll be take up your tarot and we'll just clarify that. See, you have death showing up as well. So clearly some kind of transformation followed by the Empress. Okay, you're entering a period of lot of personal growth here. Okay, 9 of Wands. Okay, all right. See, what is going to happen is, if in your life you're feeling slightly tied up or feel like, there's something that you cannot do any longer, like you've tried, you've struggled with it slightly, you've really held on to it and you feel like you cannot do it anymore. A lot can be because you're like mentally suffering because of it, you feel tied up, but that is about to end. That is what's coming through for you. You've really stood strong, you've held your post, and you are getting the result of it. Okay, that is essentially coming forth. You guys are very, very strong, pile 3. This is, whatever this new beginning, it's clearly meant to be, is what is coming forth. Because like I mentioned at the very beginning, this new start is actually propelling you towards a lot of personal growth, lot of positivity, and I feel like harmony is going to be finally in place in your life. The harmony that you've always wanted, the harmony that you've needed, that is showing up. You have the card of Empress, but I feel like this week you are required to take care of yourself, because especially with the eclipse energy, take care of your energies, pay attention to yourself. If you can sort of postpone a couple of important things to the upcoming week, that will be great, because this has to be a week which is about you, not about anything else. Yeah, and maybe your relationships, because I believe when it comes to relationships, you guys will actually come in very, very close. You're harmonizing with each other's energy, you're accepting each other beautifully, and that may be on the cards. But of course, for a couple of you, this change or this new start can actually be in the area of your romance, okay, in the area of your relationship. A new person may come in, and this can very well be like a soulmate, okay, a mate that you've known in a different lifestyle and you meeting them, or just connecting with them on some level and deepening your connection, that is coming forth. Of course, the possibility of getting married very quickly in the next phase of your life. Okay, I'm not really making this in terms of this week, but in the weeks to come. Yeah, but I feel like a relationship is really going to thrive and prosper for you, is what is coming forth. And of course, this week you can actually hear good news. This could be relating to a wedding, this could be relating to a birth of a child, of course, very possible. But of course, this week you could actually find yourself going to the salon, taking care of yourself, lounging, giving yourself the best things that you truly deserve. Yeah, getting a makeover, going shopping. Please go wild, go crazy, because you clearly need that fresh start in your life. We'll take a new one. Okay, act as if. So I feel like, in this new phase of your life, if you want to attract something specific to yourself, you have to act as if you already have it in your life, and you will actually hold it in your life. Chameleon is somebody who actually blends itself according to the energies. So that is exactly what you need to do. If you want love in your life, act as if you're in love. If you want money, act as if you're already wealthy and you'll have in your life. Because I believe everything that is going to happen in your life right now is going to be a choice you make, and not something that is going to happen for you. But you also have far away places, so you are being prepared to sort of move very rapidly into a different direction, into a new place. Okay, that is coming through. So of course, change of location, this could be for a short trip, for the long haul, very possible for you. Or getting a visitor from afar, very likely. Yeah, but of course, you are required to have trust and know that the universe is having your back right now. Isn't that very promising, especially when you have a new start coming through? So I totally believe that if you have faith in the universe, you will be delivered exactly what is meant for you. And okay, I feel like you're finally going to come into the truth of something, and you're finally going to realize the truth about yourself more than anybody else. Like, I feel like this new start in your life is coming as a realization for you. Yeah, so maybe take this time to reflect, to just look at things a little bit more clearly, because there may be some aspect of things that you've clearly ignored. Take a good look at yourself and ask yourself, what is my truth? What do I want? What do I want to do next? That is what is coming through for you. Of course, this can be a struggle, and it not be an easy process for you, because looking at truth, understanding the truth is, hard work. But of course, once again, you have ladybug showing up for you. So this is clearly a time of good fortune and abundance. And just open your hearts this week, pile 3, because clearly everything good wants to come into your life right now. You paid the price, you've done the work, good things are coming your way. From your romantic message, you have, if you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind, for the heart is the gateway to the soul. So clearly this goes so well with the message of truth. So you need to ask yourself, if you could be anything, if you could do anything, what would it be? The answer will be clear. Then it is up to you whether you walk that direction or not. But you cannot fool your heart. You cannot fool yourself any longer, is the message that is coming through for you. But you may spend a little bit more getting that makeover, taking care of yourself. So this week, a little bit of financial discipline can go a long way. But of course, this could also mean you're going to be taking some important decisions around money, planning money, making some future plans. But remember, save money, okay? Because you are very likely to go overboard. I'll give you a couple of more. Firstly, from Sai Baba's deck, you are under Baba's protection. So whatever new start is coming into your life, you are under Baba's protection. Let's take a look at a couple of more things. The ocean, be beautiful, mysterious, wild and free. So I feel like, this upcoming phase in your life is going to set you free from a lot of burdens that you've been carrying in the past, and you're just free to live your life once again. That is coming through for you. Generosity, so maybe this week you may actually give freely to somebody else. This could be your affection, this could be money, donation, absolutely possible for you. But of course, when it comes to money, you get more by giving more. So give somebody in need is the message for you. Safety, don't be too proud to go back to the shore. So if you feel like you want to make amends with a few people, go and say sorry, or visit a friend once again, or start talking to a friend once again. Start doing that. Don't be too proud. Don't let your ego come into the picture, especially with a soulmate relationship. Now that is really, really significant. We all make mistakes, Pile 3, and if we just acknowledge our mistakes, our relationships can get so much easier. Prudence, don't be lured by the siren song. So maybe you are going to be getting a very, very tempting offer this week. Now I believe this is especially relating to your money, okay? So don't be lured. If some salesman is trying to sell you something, you know better. You have to save money. Remember me when that happens, telling you to maintain financial discipline this week. I'll give you your letters and numbers. N, E, N, 33, 6 can be 9. 9 of course is a number of completion. So, then completion and new beginning. You could actually be going on an adventure is what I'm getting here as well. Yeah. So once you're back from that adventure, should you go, let me know where you went, how was your vacation, and all of those things. I would really, really like to know. D, R, U, 20, I, you have O. Yeah. Of course, you may find your full names here, and if you do, let me know. And if you can find some additional words, let me know about that as well, because you guys are really good at it. Like some of the words you come up with, I'm like, damn, I've never been good at Scrabble, so not my cup of tea. All right. So overall, these are your letters and numbers and overall messages. Pile 3, you're entering a good phase. And should you get the chance to make a new beginning, do not be afraid. Remember to be wild and free and live fully. Live fully this week. That's what I'm going to leave you with. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.